Driver Booster 11. PRO is an advanced driver updating tool designed to ensure your system runs smoothly and efficiently by keeping all device drivers up to date. Its user-friendly interface and one-click operation make it accessible even to users who are not tech-savvy. The software scans your system for outdated, missing, or faulty drivers and updates them to the latest versions available sourced directly from the manufacturers. This comprehensive approach helps prevent common issues such as hardware failures, system instability, and security vulnerabilities caused by outdated drivers. Driver Booster 11. PRO also features a large driver database covering over 8 million drivers, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of hardware devices, including graphics cards, sound cards, network adapters, and more. One of the standout features of Driver Booster 11 PRO is its automatic driver update functionality, which can be scheduled to run at specific intervals, ensuring your system is always up to date without requiring manual intervention. Additionally, the software creates a restore point before updating drivers, providing an added layer of security in case of any issues during the update process. The inclusion of tools such as a game booster, which optimizes system performance for gaming, and a system optimizer, which helps clean up junk files and improve overall system performance, makes Driver Booster 11 PRO a versatile and valuable tool for maintaining your PC's health. Regular updates and a responsive customer support team further enhance the reliability and user experience of Driver Booster 11 PRO, making it an essential tool for keeping your system running at its best.